In this video, I'm going to show you how to ball the end of a piece of copper wire. So I've got a piece of 14 gauge copper wire, and I've got it set up pointing down, and it's being held by a set of helping hands. And for that, there's a little clip there, and you just squeeze that clip, put the metal in, again pointing down, but at least an inch or so away from the actual fire brick. You do want to make sure you're doing this on a surface that's not going to catch fire. So I've got mine on this hard fire brick. But again, I've got it in the helping hand. The wire is pointing down. The wire has already been pickled or cleaned, so there's no oxides on it, which can inhibit the balling process. So I've got my Smith little torch, and I'm going to turn both knobs on just a little bit. Sometimes you have to turn them on because they may be a little tight. Turn them on, then turn them back down. Again, if it's not lighting, give it a little bit more acetylene. And you want that blue inner cone about 1/4 of an inch long. And then you come right up underneath that. Now you're not pointing, the torch is not pointing up, it is pointing to the side there. But you get the blue inner cone right up next to it. Now if it seems like something should be happening and it's just not, pull back, give it a little bit more acetylene and a little bit more oxygen. Make that flame just a little bit hotter. But you're aiming right at the tip of that wire. And when that melts, it draws the molten copper up. That's because of surface tension. So we're going to do that one more time so you can see a little bit easier. If I want to bring that in, you can see the copper has gotten black, but that's okay. So again, I bring it right up under the end, and it's going to melt it, and then because of surface tension, it's going to ball up. If you go too far, you can see that a piece will drop off. You've got to be careful, because if you drop that hot metal onto you, it's going to be incredibly uncomfortable. So be very careful. Make sure that that is hanging over the fire brick, not hanging over your lap. That'll be a big surprise. And then turn off your torch, and then repickle that, and then you should be good to go. And this works really well for balled end rivets or cold joining.